Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and this is going to be an unboxing of the Aerophase Q4 Dual Channel Dash Cam. Really new product and great dash cam that has come onto the market. You can see nice sleek look. On the back here you see some of the features. If you're using just the front dash cam, then you're going to get a 4K image. If you use it in the dual channel mode, you get 2K on the front cam and 1080p on the rear cam. It is equipped with Wi-Fi, it has parking monitor, it has G-sensor built in, and it has loop recording. It also has a 12-month warranty, so they provide really excellent customer support. So let's open this up and take a look at it. Now, there are some tips before use, just information that gives you troubleshooting and just to make sure that you're able to get it set up correctly. And let's open this up and take a look at what's in the box. You've got your full user manual, and they give you really good instructions as well as some videos, links to videos you can watch. But you can see full set of instructions, so they don't leave you hanging. They give you all the information you need to get this set up correctly, and it gives you some information about the micro SD card slot and the way to use the micro SD card, as well as the warranty. And you've got some this is prep to help with setting up the camera, electrostatic, putting the camera onto the windshield. And so you've got, looks like 2 of those, and the instructions manual explain how to use that along with attaching the camera. Over here you've got, let's see, this is the actual camera. Wow, that's really small. I thought the big box is going to be the camera, but the small box. We'll look at the other stuff in a minute, but let's take a quick look at this dash cam. Look how small that is. I like it. It's nice, it's sleek, it's got a cool look to it, but it's not huge, doesn't take up a ton of space. And you can see you've got your place to attach it right there, and you can see how it pivots. It's got a hinge so you can get it at the angle you need it at once you attach it. You've got a button over here. So looks like this is some type of function button there. Then you've got a nice simple screen here on the back, LCD screen. And then over here on this side you've got places for your trans flash or micro SD card. You've got your Type-C power, and then you've got your port. This is, I'm going to guess that's to attach the rear camera if you're using a rear camera. And then on the bottom here, let's see, just a nice little mesh system. And then I'm not sure what that's for. It might be for, could be for a microphone. I don't know what that's for. We'll have to read the instructions to find out what that's for. But this is it. Very simple. I love how small and simple it is. Simple and sleek. So that's cool. Let's take a look at what else comes in the box. Let's see. Pull that out. Alright, so you're going to get all the things you need here. You've got additional pads to use to attach the camera. You've got a little pin. Oh, that's probably what that is, probably for that hole that was on the bottom. That's probably to reset, is what that is, the reset, and this is the pin to do that. You've got some clips for helping to guide your power cable or your rear camera cable. And then you've got, this is the rear camera kit here. You can see that. Just pull it out. You've got the camera itself, the rear camera that you can mount on there. And then you've got this really long cord that which you would need in order to go from the back of your car all the way to the front where the dash cam is. So that's included. You've got some additional mounting hardware for that. Then you've got, this is a tool that helps you hide the cable. If you're running either the power cable for this or the rear camera cable, this is a tool that helps you get that behind the paneling and stuff in your car, if that's something that you want to do. And then this is the power cord This is what will power the camera. And you see you've got basically type C cord, and you've got really long cord, and then this just plugs into your standard car power port in the front. So that is all there. So that's everything that comes in the box. Again, you get this lens here will give you 4K if you're just using the front. If you're using the front and the rear camera combined, you're getting 2K on the front and 1080p on the rear. It does take the micro SD card slot. It does loop recording, so that's just always constantly recording. And then it does have Wi-Fi to connect to your phone so that you can change the settings and stuff using your phone, as well as view the footage and all that great stuff. So really, really excellent dash cam by Aerophase, and that is everything that comes in the box. That's going to be it for the unboxing. If you like this video, please click that like button. And yes, I will be doing a follow-up video that's going to be a full demo and review of the product, so you can see it in action and see how it works. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you'll know when that's coming up, as well as other product reviews. If you have any questions, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. And that is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.